Okay guys, so next step. So I just cut that top part of my snowflake off. And the next thing I'm going to do is I can start doing the fun part, making the other cuts. I think I'm going to put this underneath so you can see, so we don't get a glare. Okay, so basically you're just going to be making some cuts into and out of each of these three sides, okay? Make sure when you cut in, you don't just make a cut and leave it there. You got to cut in and cut out, so you're actually cutting a little part of the paper out. So for example, little triangles actually work really well. So I'm going to do one there. If it's easier for you to cut in and then pull out and then cut in to meet where that was, that's okay. Don't just let's see if I can show you here. Don't just do a cut like that and a cut like that and just leave them. Can you even see that? They're just little cuts. That's not going to show anything when you make your snowflake. So I have to come and cut that out, okay? And I recommend cutting over the trash can. But really just these little cuts, as many of these little cuts as you can, okay? So don't ever cut all the way across or it's gonna fall apart. Just little cuts, little triangles, maybe little square shapes. You can, if you're really careful, cut the tips off. I wouldn't do a big cut with those because you don't want it to fall apart. And don't try not to cut into a previous cut either. So I'm just doing a little cut there on that corner. And I'm gonna do a little cut on that corner too. So I still have this side. So I wanna do something here too. So I'm just doing lots of triangles. And they can be a little bigger as long as I don't cut through to the other side. Okay. Okay, I think that's good.